It's not uncommon to want to spoil your dog by sharing table scraps or your favorite people food snack instead of a dog treat. After all, if it is safe for you to eat, it must be okay for your dog to eat, right? Not necessarily. While many people foods are perfectly safe for dogs, some are very unhealthy and downright dangerous, so it's critical to learn which fruits and vegetables dogs can eat. Dogs digest foods differently than humans do, and eating the wrong foods can lead dogs to long-term health problems and, in extreme cases, even death. As omnivores, dogs have no real need for fruits or vegetables as part of their diet, but an occasional fruit or veggie as a treat is okay. Fresh dog foods also pre-portion fresh veggies into meals. Read on to find out which fruits and vegetables are okay for sharing in moderation and which should be avoided. Fruits dogs can and can't eat. Apples. Yes, dogs can eat apples. Apples are an excellent source of vitamins A and C, as well as fiber for your dog. They are low in protein and fat, making them the perfect snack for senior dogs. Just be sure to remove the seeds and core first. Try them frozen for an icy warm weather snack. You can also find it as an ingredient in apple-flavored dog treats. Avocado. No, dogs should not eat avocado. While avocado may be a healthy snack for dog owners, it should not be given to dogs at all. The pit, skin, and leaves of avocados contain persin, a toxin that often causes vomiting and diarrhea in dogs. The fleshy inside of the fruit doesn't have as much persin as the rest of the plant, but it is still too much for dogs to handle. Bananas. Yes, dogs can eat bananas. In moderation, bananas are a great low-calorie treat for dogs. They're high in potassium, vitamins, biotin, fiber, and copper. They are low in cholesterol and sodium, but because of their high sugar content, bananas should be given as a treat, not part of your dog's main diet. Blueberries. Yes, dogs can eat blueberries. Blueberries are a superfood rich in antioxidants, which prevent cell damage in humans and canines alike. They're packed with fiber and phytochemicals as well. Teaching your dog to catch treats in the air? Try blueberries as an alternative to store-bought treats. Cantaloupe. Yes, cantaloupe is safe for dogs. Cantaloupe is packed with nutrients, low in calories, and a great source of water and fiber. It is, however, high in sugar, so should be shared in moderation, especially for dogs who are overweight or have diabetes. Cherries. No, dogs should not eat cherries. With the exception of the fleshy part around the seed, cherry plants contain cyanide and are toxic to dogs. Cyanide disrupts cellular oxygen transport, which means that your dog's blood cells can't get enough oxygen. If your dog eats cherries, be on the lookout for dilated pupils, difficulty breathing, and red gums, as these may be signs of cyanide poisoning. Cranberries. Yes, cranberries are safe for dogs to eat. Both cranberries and dried cranberries are safe to feed to dogs in small quantities. Whether your dog will like this tart treat is another question. Either way, moderation is important when feeding cranberries to dogs, as with any treat, as too many cranberries can lead to an upset stomach. Cucumbers. Yes, dogs can eat cucumbers. Cucumbers are especially good for overweight dogs, as they hold little to no carbohydrates, fats, or oils, and they can even boost energy levels. They're loaded with vitamins K, C, and B1, as well as potassium, copper, magnesium, and biotin. Grapes. No, dogs should never eat grapes. Grapes and raisins, dried grapes, have proved to be very toxic for dogs no matter the dog's breed, sex, or age. In fact, grapes are so toxic that they can lead to acute sudden kidney failure. Always be mindful of this dangerous fruit for dogs. Mango. Yes, dogs can eat mangoes. This sweet summer treat is packed with 4 different vitamins: A, B6, C, and E. They also have potassium and both beta-carotene and alpha-carotene. Just remember, as with most fruits, remove the hard pit first, as it contains small amounts of cyanide and can become a choking hazard. Mango is high in sugar, so use it as an occasional treat. Oranges. Yes, dogs can eat oranges. Oranges are fine for dogs to eat, according to veterinarians, but they may not be fans of any strong-smelling citrus. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, and in small quantities, the juicy flesh of an orange can be a tasty treat for your dog. Vets do recommend tossing the peel and only offering your dog the flesh of the orange, minus any seeds. Orange peel is rough on their digestive systems, and the oils may make your dog literally turn up their sensitive nose. Peaches. Yes, peaches are safe for dogs to eat. Small amounts of cut-up fresh or frozen peaches are a great source of fiber and vitamin A, and can even help fight infections, but just like cherries, the pit contains cyanide. As long as you completely cut around the pit first, fresh peaches can be a great summer treat. Skip canned peaches, as they usually contain high amounts of sugary syrups. Pears. Yes, dogs can eat pears. Pears are a great snack because they're high in copper, vitamins C and K, and fiber. It's been suggested that eating the fruit can reduce the risk of having a stroke by 50%. Just be sure to cut pears into bite-sized chunks and remove the pit and seeds first, as the seeds contain traces of cyanide. Skip canned pears with sugary syrups. Pineapple. Yes, pineapple is safe for dogs to eat. A few chunks of pineapple is a great sweet treat for dogs, as long as the prickly outside peel and crown are removed first. The tropical fruit is full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It also contains bromelain, an enzyme that makes it easier for dogs to absorb proteins. Pumpkin. Yes, pure pumpkin itself is a great choice and very healthy snack for dogs. In addition to helping with your dog's skin and coat, it is great for digestion and can help remedy both diarrhea and constipation. Just keep in mind that you should never feed your dog pumpkin pie mix. If you're buying canned pumpkin, make sure it's 100% pumpkin. There are also many pumpkin supplements and pumpkin dog treats on the market. Raspberries. Yes, dogs can eat raspberries. Raspberries are fine in moderation. They contain antioxidants that are great for dogs. They're low in sugar and calories, but high in fiber, manganese, and vitamin C. Raspberries are especially good for senior dogs because they have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help aging joints. However, they do contain small amounts of xylitol, so limit your dog to less than a cup of raspberries at a time. Strawberries. Yes, dogs can eat strawberries. Strawberries are full of fiber and vitamin C. Along with that, they also contain an enzyme that can help whiten your dog's teeth as he or she eats them. They contain sugar, so be sure to give them in moderation. Tomatoes. No, dogs should avoid tomatoes. While the ripened fruit of the tomato plant is generally considered safe for dogs, the green parts of the plant contain a toxic substance called solanine. While a dog would need to eat a large amount of the tomato plant to make him or her sick, it's better to skip tomatoes altogether just to be safe. Watermelon. Yes, dogs can eat watermelon. It's important to remove the rind and seeds first, as they can cause intestinal blockage, but watermelon flesh is otherwise safe for dogs. It's full of vitamin A, B6, and C, as well as potassium. Watermelon is 92% water, so it's a great way to help keep your dog hydrated on hot summer days. You can even find watermelon-flavored dog treats these days.